Lex Lawrence, collectively known, this is the Detroit chapter of Cobra Kai. Apparently, Canterbury Village.
Curtis All-Stars will be here at 1 p.m., 4 p.m., and 7 p.m. Make sure you like doing that after party. Alright guys, we're going over to the stage to check out War Machine. Partner, where can I drop you off tonight? He said, you know, I want to thank you for the helping hand.
Gonna get a selfie. Did you get it? Did you get it?
Thanks for coming. Yep. Thanks for coming.
You have plastic bag?
Huh?
Plastic bag?
Yeah.
No other bag like it in the world. It's very, very special.
So, do you have a bag?